this video you will learn everything about the new Stadler Roger air purifier family. Hi, this is Samuel from Stadler and with me today Roger Little. In this video I will show you a short unboxing, and in the second part I will tell you everything about the new air purifier series, the Roger family. Now let's see what's in the box. Alright, let's move to the features. The most obvious change on the Roger air purifier family is the textile prefilter. It can be removed in case it gets dusty, and it can be washed in the washing machine at low temperature. The next important feature, of course, is the heart of every air purifier, the filter. We use a dual filter which combines HEPA and activated carbon filter. We newly developed an H14 HEPA filter which can be purchased as an accessory. The HEPA filter is responsible to remove particles from the air, while the activated carbon filter removes gases and bad smells. As you know, we do have three different sizes of this air purifier. Roger Little covers an area of 33 square meters, while Roger is good for a surface of 66 square meters. Roger Big can even clean an area of 104 square meters. So the most important thing I think about an air purifier, you need to run it 24/7. But it's really difficult to understand when to run it in which speed level. This is why we have built-in sensors on all three models. On Roger Little we do have a gas sensor, while on Roger and Roger Big we do have two different sensors for gases and particles. If the air is polluted and you set the unit on automatic mode, it will adjust the cleaning performance accordingly. I think that's the killer feature, and in order to keep your air clean, you should always run your unit in automatic mode. You can even control Roger and Roger Big with your mobile phone. Alright, now you know everything about the new Roger air purifiers. If you still have questions, just write them in the comments below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you, stay healthy, and bye bye!